Hey WOK Stars, in my online course, I use an older model of the Iwatani gas stove. So I want to show you this newer model, which is the VA30 Iwatani gas stove. And one of the things I talk about in my class is about high heat, which is an essential requirement when you do wok cooking. All right, so I'm going to quickly show you how to insert this gas cartridge. The first thing you do is take off the red cap, open the flap, and you'll find a big arrow on top of the cartridge. But the first thing you want to do is actually slide that in underneath this strap, and you're going to push it in, close the flap, and stand back. And you're going to use your thumb and turn it to the left and hard until you hear the click, and there you have it. And the dial is used to adjust your flame. Can you see? When you're done, just turn it off by turning back to right to the off position. And always take this out. So you're going to push this back and put the cap back on. And that's it. And this cartridge lasts about an hour. And always make sure that you have backups. So order lots of gas refills. I'm going to provide the link below. And yeah, if you have a look, you'll see that the flame will be directly focused at the base of my wok instead of those high-end gas stoves, which may have a higher BTU, but the flame is spread across so wide that I find that the flames are leaping up my arm instead. And it fits perfectly with my cast iron wok, which comes as part of the WOK STAR KIT bundle. What it has is a lovely wind guard, which will prevent the flame from blowing out, especially if you use it outdoors. So this little gas stove is perfect for yachting, camping, going on road trips, if you want to cook outside on the balcony, or entertain your guests by the poolside. And the other thing that it has is its own little carry case, which is lovely because you can take it anywhere. The best part about this whole setup is that I keep it on my glass flat cooktop at all times so that it's convenient and practical, and you can fire it up whenever you need to cook. So if you have any questions, ask me below. I've also provided links to my website, my online classes, and if you're interested in the WOK STAR KIT bundle. Thanks for watching. Bye.